Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Cries of Animals and Birds. Ape, gibber. Bee, hum. Bat, screech. Beetle, drone. Cat, meow. Bear, growl. Bull, bellow. Cow, bleat. Chick, pep. Cock, crow. Cow, moo. Crane, hiss. Crow, caw. Cuckoo, cry. Deer, bell. Dog, bark. Dove, coo. Duck, quack. Eagle, scream. Flies, buzz. Fox, bark. Frog, croak. Geese, cackle. Grasshopper, chirp. Hare, squeak. Hen, cackle. Horse, neigh. Hyena, laugh. Lamb, baa. Lion, roar. Mice, squeak. Monkey, chatter. Nightingales, warble. Ostrich, chirp. Owls, hoot. Oxen, low. Parrot, talk. Peacock, scream. Pigeon, coo. Pig, grunt. Snake, hiss. Sparrow, chirp. Swan, cry. Tiger, growl. Turkey, cocks. Okay friends, that's all for today. Hope this video was useful to you. So, before you quit this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Bye friends, meet you soon with a new and interesting video.